Hello, everyone. I have a very special person with me, and he is a music man, a legendary person from Bangladesh. And Bangladesh is a place of magic in the music. And there are so big names from Bangladesh: Firdausi Rahman, Bashir Ahmad, Runa Laila, and Shahnaz Begum. I remember them and I love their music. But the person who is with me right now, Shobnil Shojit, he is from Bangladesh, and nowadays he's in the town, in the Washington DC, because he's here for some projects and he's working on it. He's a man of peace. He's a man of harmony. And he speaks about his country and the world in a peaceful manner. So, welcome, Shojit.
Assalamu alaikum, our viewers, our beloved brother. Thank you for inviting me here, and of course you all. I'm overwhelmed. I'm just a music lover and I try to sing.
You are so humble.
No.
I know, because I find you from the media, and the media is following you as I was following, because you were doing so big concerts of music, and I've seen you singing while singing. That's how people love you. Thousands of people are listening to you, and they are fan of you, because music make fans, music make lovers, music make a human being to connect with others, and they love with each other. It's a need of the time, because if we are human being, first of all we need to know we are human being, because it's a difference between an animal and social animal. Social animal mean that who can help this society, who could raise this social system, and music is a way. So what are your projects here? That
I have many projects in North America, Canada and US.
Mhm.
I have four show in America and 3 show in Canada.
Mhm.
I'll stay here for 2 months. So
I was watching one of your concerts in New York.
Yeah,
It went
that was
very well, beautiful.
last week.
Yes.
It's a NASA country show,
Mhm.
and Bangladesh was the host
Mhm.
country there. So I'm only singer and performing there, and get so much love from the audience. Many people were there. They just sing with me. They give me so much love. So
Mhm.
you said little bit earlier, music and art has no boundaries.
No boundaries. No.
My music and art has no language.
Mhm. Mhm.
It herself is a language. In air, in the nature, in ocean, everywhere in music.
Mhm.
And we are the artist, we are the musician. We wanted to bring all the sounds together, all the people together, and we try to make a good association. We try to make a good cultural environment.
Intercultural,
Yeah,
and you want to create a
intercultural.
harmony. You know why I brought you here? It's Akwakan town, 400 years old town. And because you were speaking about the ocean,
Yeah.
because you are a son of ocean, right?
Yeah.
And you were talking about the rivers and everything, and I am a riverman as well. So this is a place where we are, sitting right now, and it's a place you can see that we are at the edge of the river. So,
beautiful.
that's the reason I brought you here, that you should feel like home, because Bangladesh is a place. Nowadays, the Bangladesh is in news. It's making headlines. The reason is a political, but we are away from politics. We talk about the society. We talk about the good neighborhood and everything. Yes. What we have great connections. We were united once. We were separated. These are the reasons. But our music, our culture, and definitely when we speak about the religion, religion is because 70% people of Bangladesh are Muslim, right?
Yeah.
And but they believe in harmony. So we wish them good luck for the future, because future is very important, and I hope that Bangladesh will be coming out from all those difficulties which we are facing right now. Hope so. But we are talking about the music, because music is something that, and music and language. Even most of the people I have seen that they speak very fluently Urdu language.
Yeah, because we since our childhood we are very fond of Urdu music, Urdu
and Bollywood
poem, then Hindi music, Bollywood. We're very influenced by Bollywood, Hollywood, because I told it before, music has no boundaries.
No boundaries.
So when I connect with the music, so also I connect with the new language. In a few days ago, I was in Mexico, in Tulum, for my vacation, and here a beach side, a little girl playing a guitar and sing their own song with Spanish language. And I like the music, I like the way of expression of her. I don't know the meaning of the
most of the words,
songs. I don't know anything about the songs, but I like the tune. And then I Google it on my phone, and I got the song, and I tried to learn the song from YouTube. So that's how music connected each other, and inshallah we all will be in good peace.
MashaAllah.
We all will be a good mind. And
yes.
We all will be a good future from our next generation.
Of course. I think that the way you are talking about the language and the music, I was surprised to meet with one person who was speaking Urdu good more than me. A person, And then later we become very good friends, because we met in a conference. And he was visiting Pakistan at that time. Murshid Khan. He used to be the foreign minister of Bangladesh, and he was in the cabinet of Khalida Zia Sahiba. And it was very pleasant moment for me that he was speaking so beautifully, His accent was so beautiful. And I asked him that how you know Urdu. He said, Urdu is in my blood. So this is something, if we feel that language is close to your heart, then it becomes part of your blood.
Yeah.
And music is in our blood. So thank you so much for giving me this opportunity to speak with you.
And I love to sing with two lines for you and our audience too, because I'm a musician, and I'm not a good motivational speaker, so I just give my music all of you and get more love from you.
What singer you like more? Because I have taken few names, I was talking about Firdausi Begum.
I love Runa Laila ma'am.
Oh, beautiful.
And she is really adoring me a lot. You know, you saw.
And she was singing in 3, 4, 5 languages.
Yeah.
You know.
I just love her courage. I love her.
She's beautiful.
Love her voice texture. I love her capability to sing many kind of song like Urdu song, Hindi song, Punjabi song, Sindhi song. I love Shahnaz Begum.
Shahnaz Begum. Wow.
I really love Lata Mangeshkar most.
Wow.
She is an
Noorjahan.
she is an aura to me, and I love Madam Noorjahan Begum. काश मैं उनका एक कॉन्सर्ट मेरे आंखों से देख सकता था. ये मेरा एक ख्वाब है. But I really every day
she was a beautiful lady.
Yeah.
And she was queen of melody, you know.
Every day I listen her songs, so she is really close to my heart. I love Farida Khanam's ghazal. I just love her ada, her way of expression.
And what about Mehdi Hasan Khan sir?
Phenomenal.
Oh.
So the bunch of list people in Asia I love most. Nowadays I love Ali Shetty, the young Basuri singer. He is a very, very talented singer from Pakistan. So many people, because you know,
we have so many gharanas in Pakistan, you know, Patiala, Sham Churasi, Gwalior.
Yeah.
All these are beautiful people, you know.
These are the structure of the classical music. And you know, Dagar Gharana, Gwalior Gharana. We learned so many things from their tehzeeb, their alab, their loves, their way of communicate with the music. This is amazing, you know.
So we are united in culture and music.
Yeah.
And this is
and
a
we will be
big
always
binding
united,
force, you know.
united with the music, art, culture, and tourism.
Yeah.
I know.
Thank you so much.
You have a channel, the first tourism channel, satellite TV from Pakistan, Discover Pakistan. So my friends who are interested in Pakistan, they have to watch this TV and get many more ideas from your channel.
It's so wonderful. It's so wonderful, you know, and we love everyone, you know, who they love humanity. You know,
yeah.
Basically,
last year I was in Kashmir. The both part was so beautiful.
So beautiful.
We used to go Switzerland, Ireland, Finland, but in our Kashmir, it's so beautiful. It's a land of heaven.
Yes.
I think
heaven on earth. Yes.
Jannat is there. Jannat is everywhere, where is peace. But their beauty, oh my God! Time to time, in summer there is one beauty, in winter there is one beauty. Oh God! So
have you heard the term people used to say that Bengal ka jadoo? You know, magic of Bengal. Because when they sing, they conquer the hearts of the people, and they capture the minds, you know, and people love them. Beautiful people, you know, and even some beautiful film stars.
From Bengal.
Shabnam Begum.
Yeah, I love her. I just love her.
Rahman was my most favorite.
Yeah,
you know. ये मौसम ये मस्त नज़ारे प्यार करो तो इनसे करो. Basically it was from Bashir Ahmad, I think so. Bashir Ahmad was, and so we have a common heritage. Definitely we need to give attention to that how we can preserve it, you know, because in music and art we are united.
We have to unite ourselves so that we can show the world how Asian people capable to do good concert, good music, good art. So we have to unite it.
Here I would like to ask you that if you don't mind, you may sing few lines, if possible.
Sure. Yeah. I love to.
So be attentive, because you would love to listen to him and enjoy his, beautiful voice, It's a voice of Bengal.
हमको मिली है आज हैया नसीब से जी भर के देख लीजिए हमको करीब से फिर आपके नसीब में ये बात हो न हो शायद फिर इस जन्म में मुलाकात हो न हो लग जा गले कि फिर ये हंसी रात हो न हो शायद फिर इस जन्म में मुलाकात हो न हो लग जा गले से
Beautiful.
One more song. The beautiful Malaika ghazal फरीदा खानम
जी
एक लफ्ज मेरा ख्याल में आया.
प्लीज.
यूं ही सोचो जरा क्यों न रोके तुम्हें ऐसी जाती है जब उठ के जाते हो तुमको अपनी कसम जाने जा बात इतनी मेरी मान लो आ जाने की जिद ना करो हाय मर जाएंगे हम तो लुट जाएंगे ऐसे बातें किया न करो आ जाने की जिद ना करो.
Wow, beautiful.
Thank you.
I will request you, please sing in Bangla.
Sure.
Because the Bangla people and Bangla singing is very unique. You heard the names of those people who they made the difference in the music of East. Firdausi Rahman, Firdausi Begum, Bashir Ahmad, Roona Laila and Shehnaz Begum.
कुल नाई किनार नाई को दरियार पानी সাবধানে চালাইও মাঝি আমার ভাঙা তরি রে অকুল দরিয়ায় বুঝি কুল নাই রে আমায় ভাসাইলি রে আমায় ডুবাইলি রে অকুল দরিয়ায় বুঝি কুল নাই রে কুল নাই কিনার নাই নাই কো দরিয়ার পানি সাবধানে চালাইও মাঝি আমার ভাঙা तोरी रे हमें उस पार लेके जाना माझी रे चाहे अंधी आई रे चाहे मेघा छाए रे हमें उस पार लेके जाना माझी रे चाहे अंधी आई रे चाहे मेघा छाए रे हमें उस पार लेके जाना माझी रे.
Oh, beautiful, beautiful.
Thank you so much.
Here I would like to say a few words in Urdu because, as you know, that he used to, sing a song, and it was mixture of Bangla and Urdu. तो बंगाली और उर्दू ज़बानों के दरमियान जो मोहब्बत है, जो एक साथ है, जो एक ताल्लुक़ है, ज़बानों का हर ज़बान का किसी न किसी ज़बान के साथ बहुत करीब का एक रब्त होता है, लेकिन बांग्ला ज़बान इसलिए भी हमारे करीब है कि हम उनको अपने लोगों को अपने दिल के करीब समझते हैं. तो हमें आज की शाम जो शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहिए शॉन पिल का, शौजिब जी का, बिकॉज he's a wonderful person. He's in this area for a few days, and I was happy to learn from him that he's doing big projects, and we wish him good luck. और ये सब बातें जो हैं ये मेरे ख्याल में एक दूसरे के साथ हमें जानने की ज़रूरत है, समझने की ज़रूरत है. आई होप यू आर अंडरस्टैंडिंग मी व्हाट आई एम सेइंग. यस. तो लेकिन मैं इसलिए कर रहा था कि चूँकि मोस्टली हमारे लोग जो हैं वो बंगाली ज़बान को या उर्दू ज़बान को अपने तौर पे जैसे समझते हैं, लेकिन अंग्रेज़ी ज़बान जो है वो कम्युनिकेशन का एक ऐसा ज़रिया है कि जिससे ज़्यादा एक्सप्रेशन बड़ा हो जाता है. तो ये एक बात है. कोई ऐसी बात जो आप कहना चाहें कि यहाँ पे लोग जो हैं उनको म्यूज़िक के साथ क्या ताल्लुक़ होना चाहिए? What relationship they should build with the music for the future generations?
I know in Europe, America, people are so busy with work. But आप काम करिए, काज करिए, but आपके अंदर में एक सुकून आना चाहिए. एक आपके अंदर में एक शांति आना चाहिए. So music and art brings you the peace. Music and art brings you the friendship. Music and arts has no boundaries. So that's why we are connected. You are become so much you are become my friends and family throughout the art. So मैं यही बोलना चाहूँगी मेरा all friends, family और वेल विशर को आप लोग थोड़ा समय आपके लिए रखेंगे एंड आप अच्छा गाना, अच्छा म्यूज़िक, अच्छा संगीत, अच्छा ड्रामा, अच्छा मूवी देखेंगे. सो आपके फ्यूचर जनरेशन विल नो योर soul country, land country, your art and culture. They will not forget if we are not practicing with them.
And thank you so much.
Thank you.
I'm presenting you this Ajrak because you were talking about the Sufism and about the harmony and about peace and about the harmony of languages and cultures. And this kind of stuff, always bring together for one purpose, that how we could be united for for humanity.
Thank you.
So this is Ajrak, It's from Sindh, you know. Have you seen this colors before? You know?
No.
So
Thank you so much.
Yes.
I am overwhelmed.
Yes.
And thank you, Bhaijan, to connect with many of your friends and fellows. And please keep us in your prayers. And
Sure.
We all want peace, and we want peace of harmony ourselves. So right now we'll say goodbye, but inshallah जरूर हम लोग मिलेंगे.
Thank you so much.
कोई एक गाने के जलसा में और कोई एक अच्छा environment में where we can talk about music, peace and harmony. Thank you so much.
So grateful. Thank you very much for watching, and it was a great time with Shojib ji, because Shojib is not only a man of music, he's a man of heart as well, and he was speaking everything from his heart. So it was a great opportunity for me to introduce to you with him and introduce him with yourself. So please take care and love music, make peace, and always, you know, love with the other cultures as well. Thank you so much.